The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay north of a line between East Point, New Jersey and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, including Woodland Beach, Sea Breeze, Ship John Shoalite, and Stony Point, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots, or greater 12 nautical miles south of Ship John Shoalite, or about over Bowers Beach, moving north at 30 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 2 nautical miles west of Ship John Shoalite by 4:10 p.m., 3 nautical miles east of Woodland Beach, and 4 nautical miles west of Sea Breeze by 4:15 p.m., 4 nautical miles east of Stony Point by 4:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.